Good evening to the respected sir. This is Vasvi Padmasri from Srinivasa Ramanujan Institute of Technology. Today my topic is about differentiation and calculus from the CSE department. First of all, what the overview of the topic. Definition of Lagrange's method of undetermined multipliers and problem on Lagrange's method of undetermined multipliers. First of all, Lagrange's method of undetermined multipliers. In this case, we find out maxima and minima values function of three variables, that is f of x, y, z, which depending on the three sum relations by using Lagrangian function of undetermined multipliers can be defined of f of x, y, z equals to f of x, y, z plus lambda into phi into x, y, z, where f of x, y, z is a given function. Phi into x, y, z is a given relation. Lambda is an undetermined multiplier. Similarly, if you write n relations, we find out n multipliers. Now next, problem on Lagrange's method of undetermined multipliers. Find the volume of greatest rectangular parallelopipe that inscribed into ellipsoid x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square into z square by c square equals to 1. Now the solution. Let us consider 2x, y, 2y, and 2z are the length, breadth and height of three dimensions of rectangular parallelopipe. Therefore, the volume of rectangular parallelopipe equals to v of x, y, z equals to 2x into 2y into 2z. Therefore, v of x, y, z equals to 8xyz is an equation 1. Given that ellipsoid equals to x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square equals to 1, where phi of x, y, z equals to x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square minus 1 equals to 2. Let us consider this is an equation 2. From the Lagrangian function, v of x, y, z equals to v of x, y, z plus lambda phi into x, y, z equals to 8xyz plus lambda into x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square into by c square minus 1. Let us consider this is an equation 3. By differentiating equation 3 with respect to x, y, and z on both sides, we get dou v by dou x equals to 0. 8xyz plus 2 lambda x by a square equals to 0. This is an equation 4. Now, by dou v by dou y equals to 0 equals to 8xz plus 2 lambda y by b square equals to 0. This is an equation 3. Now, dou v by dou y equals to 0. 8xy plus 2 lambda z by c square equals to 0. This is an equation 3. Now from equation 4, 5 and 6, we can say that 8yz equals to minus 2 lambda x by a square. 4yz equals to minus lambda x by a square. Therefore it is equals to a square yz by x equals to minus lambda by 4. 8xz equals to minus 2 lambda y by b square. 4xz equals to minus lambda y by b square. b square xz by y equals to minus lambda by 4. 8xy equals to minus 2 lambda z by c square. 4xy equals to minus lambda z by c square. c square xy by z equals to minus lambda by 4. Therefore, a square yz by x equals to b square xz by y equals to c square xy by z equals to minus lambda by 4. Let us consider this is an equation 7. By equation 4 and 5, a square yz by x equals to b square xz by y equals to a square y square equals to b square x square. X square by a square equals to y square by b square. From equation 5 and 6, b square xz by y equals to c square xy by z. b square x z square equals to c square y square. z square by c square equals to y square by b square. x square by a square equals to y square by b square equals to z square, c square equals to minus lambda by 4. It is an equation 8. From equation 8, x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square minus 1 equals to 0. Minus lambda by 4 minus lambda by 4 minus lambda by 4 minus 1 equals to minus 3 lambda minus 4 equals to 0. Lambda equals to minus 4 by 3. From equation 8, x square by a square equals to minus lambda by 4. X square by a square equals to minus of minus 4 by 3 into whole power into 1 by 4. X square by a square equals to 1 by 3. X square equals to a square by 3. X equals to a by root of 3. Y square by b square equals to minus lambda by 4. Y square by b square equals to minus of minus 4 by 3 into 1 whole to the into 1 by 4. Y square by b square equals to 1 by 3. Y equals to b by root of 3. Z square by c square equals to minus lambda by 4. Z square into c square equals to minus of minus 4 by 3 into 1 by 4. Z square by c square equals to 1 by 3. Z square equals to c square by 3. Z equals to c into c by root of 3. From equation 1, v of x comma y comma z equals to 8xyz. v of x comma y comma z equals to 8 into a power a by root 3 into b by root 3 into c by root 3. Therefore, v equals to v of x comma y comma z equals to 8abc by 3 root 3. At conclusion, lastly, we can say that the volume of greatest two rectangular parallelopipe that inscribed into ellipsoid x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square equals to 1 is 8abc by 3 into root 3. Thank you.